Typhoon Yagi, after delivering a catastrophic blow to the Philippines, China, and Vietnam, significantly weakened but continued its destructive path through Southeast Asia. Its remnants caused torrential rains, floods, and landslides in Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar as well. Millions of people faced power outages, destroyed infrastructure, and flooded homes. In Thailand, the heavy rains accompanying the typhoon flooded the northern provinces. Chiang Rai, a mountainous region on the border with Myanmar and Laos, known for its cultural landmarks and tourist routes, was particularly hard hit. Coastal villages were submerged, making rescue operations much more difficult. Maesai recorded the most severe flooding in 80 years. Flights at Chiang Rai Airport were also suspended. Prolonged heavy rains led to a rise in water levels in the Mekong River in Thailand's Nong Khai province, resulting in severe flooding. Sudden floods and landslides in the northern part of the country claimed 10 lives. Local authorities warn that more floods and landslides may occur in the coming days due to expected rains. Yagi also brought widespread flooding to Myanmar. Among the hardest-hit areas was the capital Naypyidaw. Where over 50,000 people were forced to seek shelter as their homes were submerged. In the border area with Thailand, evacuation camps were washed away. And the collapse of bridges and roads isolated many regions. Rescue efforts are hindered by a lack of resources, particularly boats. According to authorities, the flood has claimed at least 33 lives. But independent sources report a much higher death toll, around 160 people. Floods also severely affected northern Laos. Floodwaters may bring dangerous water animals, such as crocodiles and venomous snakes, into urban areas, posing an additional threat to residents. In Vietnam, the most affected country, The death toll has risen to 254, with 82 people still missing. Floods have destroyed more than 250,000 hectares of farmland and a vast amount of livestock. The immense amount of rain brought by hurricanes is alarming. Frequently unpredicted, abnormally heavy rains and subsequent flash floods pose a massive threat to the entire planet. And these processes are only going to increase. It's clear that we are not prepared for such catastrophic events. To meet these challenges, humanity must turn to the latest scientific and technological solutions. Engaging top specialists to protect the planet and future generations. More information can be found at the forum Global Crisis. The responsibility